Butterflies are a beautiful insect with many colors. There are more than 15,000 to 20,000 species of butterflies in the world. Butterflies live everywhere except the Arctic and Antarctica. They have three body parts, namely head, thorax, and abdomen. They also have two large eyes. Butterflies have three pairs of legs with small claws to help them stand on flowers. Generally, butterflies can fly at a speed of 10 km to 50 km per hour. The weight and size of a butterfly varies depending on its species. They can be found weighing 0.3 gram to 3 gram and measuring 1 centimeter to 30 centimeters. A butterfly has two antennae on the top of its head, which are used to smell and hear sounds. A butterfly's mouth has a long tube-like structure through which it can suck nectar from flowers and drink it. At other times, it can be kept rolled up like a coil. A butterfly's wing is covered with dust-like scales. They attract their mate through scent and unique colors. Butterflies go through 4 stages in their life: egg stage, caterpillar stage, pupa stage, and finally, butterfly stage. Butterfly eggs can be found in many sizes, shapes, and colors. Some are so tiny that we can't see them, and some are so small as 2.5 millimeters. Some types of silkworms are used to make the silk clothes that we wear. It also belongs to the butterfly species.
Scorpions are some of the most mysterious and ancient creatures on Earth. These tiny warriors have some of the wildest survival skills in the animal kingdom. Get ready to discover 10 mind-blowing scorpion facts that will leave you amazed. Let's dive in! 1. Scorpions can survive a whole year without food. Scorpions have an extremely slow metabolism, which allows them to survive for months or even a whole year without food. They conserve energy by staying inactive and only move when necessary. 2. They can hold their breath for days. Scorpions can survive without oxygen for up to 6 days. They have book lungs that allow them to store oxygen efficiently, helping them survive in harsh environments. 3. Scorpions glow under UV light. One of the strangest features of scorpions is that their exoskeleton glows blue-green under ultraviolet light. Scientists are still trying to understand why, but it might help them avoid predators or communicate with each other. 4. They have been on Earth for over 400 million years. Scorpions are one of the oldest arachnids on the planet. They lived even before the dinosaurs and have survived multiple mass extinctions, proving how tough they are. 5. Some scorpions can swim. Even though they are mostly land creatures, some species of scorpions can float on water and even move across it using their legs, making them surprisingly good swimmers. 6. Scorpions can survive extreme temperatures. Scorpions are found in some of the hottest and coldest places on Earth, including deserts and icy mountains. They can withstand temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. 7. Baby scorpions ride on their mother's back. Unlike many insects, scorpions give birth to live babies instead of laying eggs. The newborns cling to their mother's back until they are strong enough to survive on their own. 8. The deadliest scorpion is the deathstalker. The deathstalker scorpion is one of the most dangerous scorpions in the world. Its venom is extremely potent and can be fatal to humans if untreated. 9. Scorpion venom is being used in medicine. Scorpion venom is being studied for cancer treatments, pain relief, and even brain surgery. Scientists have discovered that a protein in scorpion venom can help highlight brain tumors, making surgery more precise. 10. Some scorpions play dead to trick predators. When faced with danger, some scorpions pretend to be dead to fool predators. Once the threat is gone, they quickly escape.
Dogs are also considered as man's best friend. Dogs have been helpful to us in many ways. For example, not only guarding our homes, but also becoming man's best friend. Now let's take a look at some interesting facts about these dogs that you may not have known. Historical studies indicate that dogs first appeared about 30,000 years ago, and they are related to the fox breed. We all know that dogs have 5 senses, right? But their memory is capable of remembering about 250 words, understand them, and act accordingly. We know that loneliness is very painful for humans, and similarly, dogs also get anxious if they're left alone. And because of this, if dogs are not with their humans, then it is very difficult for them to live alone. Dogs are very affectionate like humans. Even if you feed them once, they will have the ability to remember it for the rest of their lives. Have you seen dogs eat grass? The reason why dogs eat grass is because they know their own health, and when they find that there is damage to the digestive tract, they eat grass as medicine. Usually dogs have the ability to heal themselves without any medication. By nature, dogs have good hearing and good sense of smell, due to which dogs can easily detect even the natural calamities that happen on Earth. Its sense of smell is said to be 10,000 to 1 lakh times more acute than a human's. Just like how the human fingerprints are unique to each individual, dog nose markings are also unique to each dog.
Meet the mushroom, nature's fascinating fungus. Often mistaken for plants, they thrive on organic material and play a key role in ecosystems. Let's discover how mushrooms impact our world. 1. Mushrooms are more closely related to animals than plants. Unlike plants, mushrooms don't use sunlight to make food. They break down organic material like animals do. 2. The largest living organism on Earth is a mushroom. The armillaria, honey fungus in Oregon, covers over 3.8 kilometers, 2.4 miles, and is thousands of years old. 3. Some mushrooms glow in the dark. Bioluminescent mushrooms, like the ghost fungus, Omphallotus nidiformis, naturally emit light at night. 4. Mushrooms can survive in space. Scientists found that some fungi, like Cryptococcus neoformans, can survive extreme radiation in space. 5. Mushrooms talk to each other through underground networks. Mycelium, mushroom roots, act like the internet, helping trees and plants communicate and share nutrients. 6. There's a mushroom that looks like a bleeding tooth. The bleeding tooth. Fungus, Hydnellum pekii, produces red sap that looks like blood. 7. Some mushrooms can control insects' minds. The cordyceps fungus infects ants, takes over their brains, and makes them climb high before releasing spores. 8. Mushrooms can eat plastic. Certain fungi like Pestaloteuopsis microspora can break down plastic, helping fight pollution. 9. The world's most expensive mushroom costs more than gold. The white truffle can sell for over $3,000 per pound, making it pricier than some gold. 10. Mushrooms can create natural rain. Some fungi release tiny water droplets into the air, increasing humidity and helping clouds form.
Squirrels are a rodent that lives in trees. Squirrels lived about 30 million years ago. There are about 280 different species of squirrels. The largest species, of which can grow up to 3 feet in length, is found in India. Squirrels in India have 3 to 5 stripes on their backs. The average lifespan of squirrels is 5 to 8 years. Did you know that there are about 40 species of flying squirrels? Although it actually resembles flying, it uses an expanding membrane on both sides of the body to move smoothly through the wind. Squirrels are friendly and playful with humans if well socialized, and many people keep squirrels as pets in their homes. They can jump 10 times their body length from one place to another. Squirrels fall from a height of about 20 meters, but they keep their bodies in balance. It's like they have a parachute. This will not cause any injury to the squirrel. Squirrels have very sharp eyesight. It can easily escape from other animals. Squirrels can eat more than their body weight in a week. They can eat up to 500 grams per week on average. Male squirrels can detect female squirrels by their scent, even at a distance of about 1 kilometer. Squirrels can run at an average speed of 15 to 30 kilometers per hour. Do you know why squirrels keep gnawing on something? A squirrel has 4 long front teeth. These front teeth will continue to grow. If squirrels don't gnaw like this, their teeth will continue to grow longer and they won't be able to move their mouths. This can cause them to starve to death. That's why squirrels keep on gnawing whenever you see them. Squirrels will bury the seeds and nuts from the trees somewhere to eat them. But only 30% of this can be found and eaten. The remaining 70% will be forgotten. The seeds thus buried eventually grow into plants and trees and form forests. In this way, the squirrels play an important role in creating and growing forests.
Meet the octopus, a super smart sea creature with 8 arms and the power to change color. From solving puzzles to hiding in plain sight, this amazing animal is full of surprises. Let's explore the world of the octopus. 1. 3 hearts. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 pump blood to the gills for oxygen, and 1 pumps it to the rest of the body. When they swim, the heart that pumps blood to the body stops, which is why octopuses prefer crawling instead of swimming. It's less tiring. 2. Incredible intelligence. Octopuses are considered one of the most intelligent invertebrates. They can solve complex puzzles, use tools, and even escape from enclosures. Some have been observed opening jars to get food inside. 3. Camouflage experts. Octopuses can change the color and texture of their skin to blend into their surroundings. This camouflage ability helps them hide from predators and sneak up on prey. They use specialized cells called chromatophores to do this. 4. 8 arms, not tentacles. Octopuses have 8 arms, not tentacles. Each arm is lined with suckers that can independently grip, taste, and even feel objects. This makes them extremely skilled at manipulating objects in their environment. 5. They can regrow limbs. If an octopus loses an arm, it can grow a new one over time. This regeneration ability helps them survive in the wild, where they might get injured while escaping predators. 6. No bones. Octopuses don't have bones, which allows them to squeeze through incredibly small spaces. As long as their beak, the hard part of their body, can fit through, the rest of their soft body can slip through too. 7. Short lifespan. Most octopuses have a very short lifespan. Some species live only around 1 to 2 years. Despite their short lives, they grow quickly and mature fast. 8. Ink for defense. When threatened, octopuses can eject a cloud of ink to create a smokescreen. This allows them to escape from predators while the ink confuses their attackers. The ink also has a toxic compound that can temporarily blind predators. 9. Unique blood. The blood of an octopus is blue, not red. This is because their blood contains copper-based hemocyanin, which helps them survive in the cold, low-oxygen environment of the deep ocean. 10. They have beaks. At the center of their arms, octopuses have a sharp beak made of keratin, like a bird's beak. They use it to bite and tear apart prey like crabs or shellfish. Their beaks are so strong, they can even break through the hard shells of clams.
Hi everyone! If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Make sure to check out the next video.